censored rules. Athena is now in the finals. Can she get the job done and win the J-Cup with about a 30 to 45 minute break in between matches, while Brittany Savage had to have about a 15-minute break? Athena looking focused, borderlining on arrogant. And here comes last year's winner. She has an opportunity. Can she be the first ever female in WSU history to two-peat as J-Cup champion? Savage looks focused. She defeated Isabel Sueña and Annie Social to get to the finals both with that diamond cutter. And here we go, both women circling one another here. Athena definitely had a longer break en route to her final match because of the double countout in the first round. She's had about a 30 to 45 minute break. She's had a time to watch Brittany Savage's second match against Annie Social. Meanwhile, Savage fought her way, just like last year, fought her way to the finals this year. And now Athena, whoa. Athena with a smack to the mush. Savage ain't taking any of that crap. Both women going forearm strike frenzy. And Athena looking to come out on top of this. Oh, Savage went for one of her own. Athena ducked. Oh, nice counter though from Savage, knowing how to counter. Oh, so look at that. Savage went to get her up in the hole, and Athena countered to a Thez press. Beautiful counter. Athena using her smarts and her acrobatic ability to counter into that pinfall attempt, and now she has the advantage, taking her down with a front face lock. There have been so many great J-Cup champions in the past. Alexa Thatcher won it in 06. Mercedes Martinez won it in 2008. Angel Orsini 2009. 2010 was a WSU icon, Alicia. And last year was one of the women in the ring right now, Brittany Savage. The winner of this match gets a shot at the WSU World Championship. Later on tonight, it's part of this double DVD taping. And right now, it's looking like Athena. Right now, she's fresh as a daisy. Only two. Savage had to go through two hard contests to get here. Athena got through Kimberly in the first round and actually enjoyed about a 30 to 45 minute break, and she's looking like the better right now. And Savage, she looks like she's on rubber legs right now. Nice flip, nice unique maneuver to counter to that chokehold, that judo type submission. Savage counters to an arm drag. The crowd here in Deer Park watching intently. Running butt bump to the mush. And Athena going right to the frame of the ring, knowing she could have been in a predicament to be covered. But Savage rolls her back in. Oh, right to the eyes. Referee's got to get in there. Athena could have been disqualified. Now Athena taking that leg, that knee, and digging into the back of the head of Savage while her throat was on the bottom rope. This is the J-Cup Finals here in Deer Park, New York. I believe this is the first time the J-Cup has actually been held in New York, so we're going to have a... And you know, this is Brittany's hometown, Deer Park, New York. She very well could be en route to a victory, but it's not looking too good right now. Athena really just laying in the strikes to Savage, and then there was a boot right to the midsection. Athena dragging it to cover. It was borderline lackadaisical, but it still only got two. Now Athena going right back to work here. She's got that full Nelson. She's got that full Nelson applied with that body scissors. Savage got nowhere to go. Savage is hooked in that full Nelson from Athena. Earlier on in the night, we saw Athena lock on a half Nelson. This time it's a full Nelson. She's got it firmly applied right in the center with the body scissors intact. Savage might have no choice but to tap out. Savage trying to counter it. Full Nelsons are so tricky to get out of, especially when the fingers are clasped. Fans starting a slow clap to get behind Brittany Savage. Now it's picking up in intensity. Can the fans' enthusiasm get Savage back in this contest? Savage got out of the clasp with the full Nelson, counters with a jawjacker, boot to the chest. Oh, Savage got that look of intensity, bit of anger in her eyes. Oh, and a clothesline takedown. Oh, that one damn near took her head off. Savage running her head into the buckle. That time a running thigh to the midsection. Fuzzled a boot right to the lower lumbar of the back. Oh, now Savage got a Boston Crab, really hyperextending. Oh, Athena rolled out, great flexibility. And Savage going right back, hyperextending the hamstrings, the thighs, the knees in that Boston Crab. That submission, when applied properly, can tear tendons. Can Athena withstand the Boston Crab? She is hooked. Savage got it hooked. Athena's had to use her pure arm strength to get to the ropes. Athena screaming in pain to get to that bottom rope. Can she get there? She does. What tenacity from Athena. And how much did it take out of her acrobatic ability in the contest? Only 2 for Savage as Athena got the ropes with her hand, but you have to give Savage credit on that. All the energy Athena exuded to get out of that Boston Crab, Savage went for the cover. Very smart from the veteran of this contest, Brittany Savage. Field goal kick from Savage. It's good for the 3 points. Athena trying to struggle to her feet. Oh, it's spiking her head to the canvas. Only 2 yet again, says the referee. Both women trading strike for strike at this point. And Athena comes out on the upper hand. Athena showing her toughness, I guess, withstanding, getting that extra break in between matches really has helped her. She is now choking the life out of Brittany. Oh, Savage went for a kick. Athena countered, has her in a wheelbarrow. Look at that, a knee bar. That's a Frank Mir type knee bar on Brittany Savage there. Oh, and Savage countered out with a wheel kick. That was an act of desperation. Savage limping. That knee bar really took the effect. And having 2 matches earlier on in the night didn't help either. Athena only gets 2. Savage looking for that armbar. Looking for that Juji Gatami. Athena trying to counter out here. Savage got the head scissors hooked too. Savage somehow toughing through the pain as they're being put in that knee bar. Great call from the referee. Savage's shoulder was actually down on the canvas for a 1 right before Athena got the ropes. This has been a straight-up fight in the finals. Both women want that guaranteed WSU championship match. in the second tape. We just don't know who they'll face. Will it be Mercedes Martinez or will it be new champion Jessica Havoc? Irish whip. Savage with a back kick. Oh, a nice kick right upside. That was more of a push kick. Savage with a cover. Again, only 2, says the referee. Savage can't believe it. Last year's winner just got called a kick to the back, and she looked in an act of frustration. Athena now has the advantage yet again. Was pulling her up by her hair. Referee made sure to scold her. Irish whip. Savage hit hard in that buckle, and Athena's got a... She has a face full of aggression right now. Unique front flip into a forearm strike. Great combination. Snapmare out of the buckle. Cartwheel knee drop. And again, Savage kicks out at 2. Both women trading near falls. Now Athena going right back to that rear chin lock. Savage was about to go for trying to go negotiate a rope break there if she tried to grab it, but Athena pulled her right back to the center. Both women back to their feet. It's a stomp to the feet. Pulls her by her hair down to the canvas, and Athena again has the advantage. It's been a great back and forth finals here at the J Cup. Look at that. Look at that submission. Forward rolling, now catches her to a combination of a head scissors and a hammerlock. Savage has nowhere to go. Last year's J Cup champion would have no choice but to tap. Oh, and Savage persevering again, getting to the ropes, and Athena can't believe it. At this point, it might come down to one of 2 moves. It might come down to the O-face of Athena, that move off the top, or it might come down to that diamond cutter from Brittany Savage. Oh, Athena's going up. I think Athena's settling for it. Might be time for that O-face. She defeated Kimberly with the move in the first round. We might see a new J Cup champ here. Oh, look at that. She caught her with a diving close off the top. Now it's a Fujiwara armbar. Athena, I thought Athena was going over. She actually had a diving clothesline, caught Savage completely off guard. And now has that Fujiwara really wrenching back on that clavicle. Savage has nowhere to go. She's right in the center. The fatigue really has to be setting in. Wait, roll up. Only 2. And Athena keeps it going here. Kicking out of that roll-up attempt at 2, keeping on the attack. Oh, Athena's got her set up in that scoop. Catatonic. It's academic here. Give Savage a lot of credit for kicking out of that Sidewinder slam. Oh, Athena's getting frustrated. The same thing happened to Antisocial earlier on. Athena's got to keep a cool head here. Savage is unpredictable. Diamond cutter! Savage wins the J Cup!
Winner and the 2012 WSU J Cup winner, Brittany Savage!
Savage, for the first time in WSU history, wins it back-to-back. Athena got to the referee's face. And just out of nowhere, Savage hit the diamond cutter. It is now the first ever back-to-back winner of the WSU J Cup. Brittany Savage shaking out the cobwebs. She had 3 matches, and she won the J Cup.
Brittany Savage, first off, congratulations, the first ever 2-time winner of the J Cup. Tell everybody here in Deer Park how that feels.
Well, during that entire match, I really had no idea where I was, to be honest with you. I blacked out a little. But you see, I know you can tell, right? Anyway, tomorrow's my birthday. And this bad boy just made up for that 2 years in a row, baby. But you know what makes it even better? I have a world title shot the next show. And I hope she beats Jessica Havoc, which I'm sure she will because I have faith in her. But I would love nothing more than to get my hands on Jess and rip her to shreds. So Jessica, if you win this match, you better be prepared. I blacked out and I still went with the match. And I will beat the ever-living daylights out of you.